Hello everyone and welcome to Linux command line tutorial series. This is tutorial number 10. In this video we will learn how to use alias and unalias. So alias is like a variable, if you understand. It's like a placeholder, maybe a short form or something. So let's go to our terminal. I am already on my terminal and I'll type in alias and hit enter, and we can see this are current aliases. So run help is an alias for man. So instead of typing man cd, what you can do is you can also type in run help cd and it will give you the same thing. So this will make more sense if we go ahead and create our own alias. So let's do that. What we will do is we will do ls, and let's say we like ls1l, right? So actually l is always in a long form. So let's say you wish to always show ls in the form of this, like ls dash l minus l, right? So let's go ahead and create one alias. We will say alias and we will name it ls, or you can say always check first. So cls, it's not a command. So what we will do is I'll write cls. The way I name it is I say it's like custom ls. So equal to, make sure there is no space. You know what, let's go ahead and try with space and see what happens. And then you will have a quote and we will say ls dash l and this, and hit enter. It will say bad assignment. So hit up arrow key, go to your, so make sure there's no space between our equal signs, and bam. Now when we type alias, we see three aliases. One is our custom and two are pre-built alias in my computer. So let's go ahead and test our CLS out. So I'll clear the screen first and type in CLS, and yep, go ahead and see, bam, it's a command. But there's a thing to remember. Let's say if I quit my terminal, okay, terminal is gone. You can see there's no terminal here active. So I'll go ahead and open terminal again here, and let's see. So now if you type alias, our command is gone, it's not there. So if you wish to keep it permanently, I recommend you to Google it. There is a way. As far as I remember, you are supposed to make an entry in the bash profile file or .zshrc file, but that part is out of the scope because it's pretty easier to create alias. Like it will take you 10 seconds to create your alias. But anyways, if you wish to have them stored for a long time, you can do that too. So let's go ahead and create the same alias again. We will say alias cls. So as you can see, currently cls is not a command. So we will say alias cls equal to, and we will say ls dash l here and hit enter. And now let's test it out, and it's there. So what if you wish to remove this alias, and you don't want to, or because of some reason you cannot quit your terminal, maybe something is running in the background. So what you can do is you can say unalias and type in the name, and so it's gone now. It's not there. So that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions, post them in the comments. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like, and I'll see you next time.